Hey guys, I'm just shooting this video on this tongue that I bought, tongue hitch, a 2-inch hitch. It's not that hard to put on. This thing swivels so you can get to each bolt. It is a 19 millimeter. So if you guys decide to buy that on eBay, I think the cheapest one was $69.99 plus $17 for shipping and handling. I got it within like 4 days. I'm gonna use it for a basket. So if you guys want to put one on, you have to take this off. These 4 bolts. Then this plate comes off. You put that on, and you put it back on. The big hole in the middle is for the back of this bolt. Whoops. I'll show you. Right there, that big bolt right there slides through that, which looks like I'll have to take off too as well. More fun! Oh, dropping more shit. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.